it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Elon. Look at this. I'm getting ready and she's ready. You ready to go? You always smack the phone. Move.
Let me smack it again.
Smack it. Sit. Let me see. I like your hoodie.
I lost my tooties.
You lost your churis?
Yes.
Why?
Because mine were broke too.
Okay. Okay, are you ready to go?
I never broke your tooties.
Zainab, are you ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Are you?
Rabbit.
Listen, are you hungry?
Yes.
You're gonna miss him today? We're leaving him today. We're gonna go to a restaurant to eat, right?
Miss you, Rabbit. I'm gonna miss you, Dun Dun.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody's doing good. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Maz Islam from New York City. So guys, today's video I am going to this one of the best Lebanese restaurant. It's a halal place all the way downtown in Manhattan. Gate. Let's put my scooty in the trunk. Let's break the scooty. So yeah guys, let's pick up the family and head out to the city. So guys, as you can see, today is another beautiful day, even though it's winter. You know, even though it's winter, it's a beautiful day out today. Not that cold, not that hot. So yeah man, I'll see you guys there. You know, they're playing some nice Arabic songs. That's cool. Yo, this place is beyond fancy. Outside is beautiful with the flowers and everything they decorate. Yo, look at them. Taking pictures already. This green lemonade. Try it, guys.
Yeah, you're right.
You want to try? Yo, that tastes so good. Something different. Yo, you guys like it? It's so good.
You will have to touch your phone.
We're waiting for the food.
Andrew, since you can't make any more videos, you should have to your phone.
No.
Yes.
Try it, it's so good. Oh, look at that.
Why does the lamp look like that?
Serve yourself, man. Serve yourself.
How many fries is there?
So good. Thank you.
This kind of cutting for you.
Are you gonna blur the faces in your video?
I'm just gonna put some fries over here, guys.
Are you gonna blur the people's?
You wanna try some fries?
Absolutely. Are you gonna blur the people's?
Oh, sakutivo. This is lamb. That's chicken over there. You gotta cut it.
There's so much fries.
Ketchup?
Her face like you both me.
Yes, I'm cutting this.
It's soft.
Well, let's just kill it.
They did already. Alhamdulillah. I don't like to see the blood.
Now we can give it to them.
Yeah.
Take it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Elon. It has been a surf करने को तो मैंने. Yo, this food is one of the best. I got lamb.
Why did you do that?
Yo, I'm still eating. We got so much food left. I'm enjoying the music and the food. Yo, why are always playing games? Yo, I love this song. My brother's favorite. Yo, we got so much lamb, so much fries left. I'm gonna take it home. Alright guys, we are leaving from here and the food was awesome, mashallah. I'll see you guys outside. Zainab is saying, you like the food? Zainab, you love the food? Whoosh.
You like food, cow? What do you eat today?
She's singing, she's happy. Anyways guys, we are leaving. Look at everybody eating it. Should have sit outside. Because they did nice decoration with flowers and stuff. See, you can see that on the right side, you can see it.
We're wearing the same pants. So other people know.
Look at on the right side, you can see it on the right side. Oh, even outside is busy. Look at outside. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see.
We should have sat outside, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's okay. Okay.
It's gonna be like,
Moj
just
tea.
kidding, guys. We did.
Before we leave, after eating, guys, they want something sweet. So let's go get some Moj tea. It's a bubble tea place that my nieces and them always drinks.
Do you have mango flavor?
This is pretty cool.
Oh, you want a mango milk tea? We have mango milk tea.
Okay. But no bubbles.
Mango milk tea, no problem.
Yeah.
No, I don't want it.
Okay. There's only one size.
I love this setup. You like this? I like the setup. This is pretty cool.
How much?
I know you like the plants, right?
This one is only one size, large. For how much? 7.5.
We're getting bubble tea.
Nice.
Which one is pink?
I want the pink one.
There's the papaya. No. There's the mango. You need the stir.
Mango. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, then I hold this. Don't drop it.
Sam, let me see.
Here, Janu. Here. Janu,
That's Tyra's.
No, that's yours.
This.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Now, guys, we're gonna go to this beautiful place right under the bridge by Riverside. I'll show you guys. It's so freaking beautiful over there. So let's go chill and have our boba over there. Zainab can't wait to go to the park. Okay, this is the place, guys. This place, daytime is absolutely beautiful, and this is at nighttime right under the bridge. Look at this. Other one is Brooklyn Bridge. This is Manhattan Bridge, and they have the swings and everything.
Where's the swing?
Right there. You gotta go over there.
I'm scared of the snail.
Guys, anyways, the food was absolutely amazing. I love the food. It was great. And then we went to get some bubble tea. Now we are here at this beautiful place. Soon I'm gonna live from here. But anyways, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and stay with me to watch more videos from New York City. I love you guys all, and till then, I'll see you guys. Alright, guys, go. Look, Zainab already got swing. She got it. Look at my brother. Let them go. Kind of nice out today, guys. It's not that cold, not that hot. So we are by right under Manhattan Bridge. See this, guys? We're right under it. And then this is the swing place that so many people have been wanting to come here, but they don't know where the location is. This is right next to Manhattan Bridge, and that side is Brooklyn. Guys, before I leave from there, I wanted to show you guys that they have this free gym right here on the street. Nobody's here. They just look at my brother. Yo, he wanted that so bad. He's gonna buy one. I was checking it on Amazon the other day. He's gonna buy one of those. But look at this free gym right here, guys. But anyways, guys, love you guys all. Peace out.